What's up, guys? Good morning. I just woke up. I actually did not sleep like at all last night. I don't know why, but like I just had a migraine all night, and then it went away at like 2 o'clock, and then I just did fall asleep after that. I don't know why. Either way, I'm still up early this morning, which is hard for me to do. Yes, 9:30 is early for me. It's 9:30 right now. But I'm on my way to Donnie's house, and we're gonna take off the spoiler of the WRX. That's pretty much all I'm doing today, is taking off the spoiler, and I'm gonna go wash my car. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna take you guys with me. Good morning, beautiful.
Even though you didn't bite his balls like I told you to.
Should have done it.
Should have done it.
This thing feels good. Alright, so about to go wash my car, so I stopped to get some of these because I didn't have any, so. If any of you guys know me personally, then you know that my shifter was like really bad. It's like really nice and stiff now. It used to be like if you would put it in gear, you could like move it like all the way to each side. It was like really bad, but it's how it should be now. Like if you take it out of gear, it goes to the center, so. So I've got you guys on the GoPro, and I'm going to maybe do like a pull. I know in my POV video that I didn't actually do like a pull. I was just kind of driving around, so. That's probably the fastest I've ever shifted in my entire life. Like, I'm serious, it was that bad. I still kind of granny shift when I'm going into 5th gear, but it's cool. Look at that Jeep off-roading. Okay, I should have rolled the window down for that. Man, this shifter is so fun. That was amazing. That was my first real pull with this the shifter being like fixed and complete. First pull was just way too good. I didn't want to pull up next to these people because there's a GoPro on my head. I didn't think about that. I didn't think that through. So like my wheels stick out past the fender and it just cakes dirt onto my car, so. Yep, that's what it looks like without the wing. So what we did the easiest possible thing, and we drilled the holes out just a little bit, and we put actual like bullet casings in there. I know that is like the most redneck thing I could have possibly done, but honestly, I don't really mind. I honestly think it looks cool, and I want to get the car repainted, so they're gonna have to plug up those holes anyway, so I figured a cool little temporary redneck fix. I didn't know it was right-hand drive. That's sick, dude. Sorry, I got a GoPro on my head.
What's up? What's your name?
Gavin? Oh, sorry, I missed. Ain't she pretty? So pretty. Yeah, I absolutely love the way it looks wingless, but the bullet holes are very redneck. Honestly, I kind of dig it though. All right, well, I am back in my car. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna leave it at that. If you guys liked the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. We're trying to get 500 subscribers this year. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the wingless look on the WRX. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, if I'm honest. But yeah, that's really all I have to say, and thanks for watching. Later.